Welcome back, Bcom third year students. In today's video, we are diving into the exciting world of auditing once again. In this part of Unit 1, we will explore the meaning of audit. Get ready to delve into definitions of auditing. Let's embark on this enlightening journey together. Let's begin by unraveling the meaning of audit. Auditing is a systematic examination of financial records, statements, and processes to ensure accuracy, reliability, and compliance with applicable laws and regulations. Imagine you have a friend named Annika who is a financial detective. Her job is to investigate and solve mysteries related to money. She does this by conducting an audit, which is like a thorough investigation of financial records, statements, and processes. Now, let's break down the process and create a memorable story. 1. Systematic examination. Annika approaches her work in a systematic way. Just like a detective, she follows a step-by-step process to uncover the truth. She carefully looks at all the financial documents and records involved. 2. Financial records. Annika delves into stacks of financial paperwork, such as receipts, invoices, bank statements, and ledgers. She wants to ensure that these records accurately reflect the financial transactions of the company or individual. 3. Financial statements. Annika analyzes financial statements, which are like snapshots of a company's financial health. She scrutinizes balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements to see if they are prepared correctly and present a true picture of the financial situation. 4. Accuracy. Annika has a keen eye for detail. She double-checks numbers, calculations, and data entries to make sure everything adds up correctly. She looks for any errors or discrepancies that could distort the financial information. 5. Reliability. Annika wants to ensure that the financial information is reliable and can be trusted. She checks if the records are complete, consistent, and supported by appropriate evidence. If something seems questionable, she investigates further to get to the truth. 6. Compliance with laws and regulations. Annika is a stickler for rules. She reviews applicable laws and regulations to make sure the financial activities are in line with legal requirements. She checks if the company is paying the right amount of taxes and following any specific industry regulations. So, in summary, auditing is like having your financial records and processes investigated by a financial detective, Annika. She meticulously examines documents, verifies accuracy, ensures reliability, and confirms compliance with the law. Remember Annika, the financial detective, and her systematic examination of financial records, statements, and processes to ensure accuracy, reliability, and compliance. But what do various experts have to say about it? Certainly. According to the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, ICAI, an audit is an independent examination of financial information of any entity, regardless of its profit orientation, size, or legal structure. The purpose of this examination is to express an opinion on the financial information. Let's break down the statement into simpler terms. 1. Independent examination. An audit is conducted by an independent professional, such as a chartered accountant, who is not directly involved with the entity being audited. This ensures objectivity and unbiased evaluation of the financial information. 2. Financial information. The audit focuses on examining the financial records, statements, and other relevant documentation of the entity. This includes items such as financial statements, accounting records, transaction details, and supporting documents. 3. Any entity. An audit can be performed on various types of entities, regardless of their legal form, size, or whether they are profit-oriented or not. This includes companies, partnerships, sole proprietorships, non-profit organizations. 4. Expressing an opinion. After conducting a thorough examination, the auditor forms an opinion about the fairness and accuracy of the financial information. This opinion is typically expressed in the form of an audit report, which provides an assessment of the reliability and compliance of the financial statements with accounting principles and applicable laws. So, in essence, an audit, as defined by ICAI, involves an independent examination of financial information of any entity with the aim of expressing an opinion on its accuracy, fairness, and compliance with accounting standards and regulations. The auditor's role is to provide assurance and enhance the credibility of the financial information for stakeholders, such as shareholders, investors, creditors, and regulatory authorities. According to Montgomery, a leading American accountant, auditing is a systematic examination of the books and records of a business or other organization. The purpose of this examination is to ascertain or verify the facts regarding its financial operations and report upon the results thereof. According to Professor Lawrence R. Dickey, auditing is an examination of accounting records undertaken with a view to establish whether they correctly and completely reflect the transactions to which they relate. According to Speyer and Pegler, auditing is such an examination of books of accounts and vouchers of a business as will enable the auditor to satisfy himself that the balance sheet is properly drawn up, so as to give a true and fair view of the state of affairs of the business, and that the profit and loss account gives true and fair view of profit-loss for the financial period, according to the best of information and explanation given to him and as shown by the books, and if not, in what respect he is not satisfied. In summary, auditing is a systematic examination of financial records, statements, and processes to ensure accuracy, reliability, and compliance with applicable laws and regulations. It involves the independent review of accounting records to establish whether they correctly and completely reflect the transactions they represent. Thank you for watching, and I hope this explanation helps you understand and remember the concept of auditing.